Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today let me show you how I made this easy and non-fry chicken stew. And if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So here I have my chicken washed already, my onion and my vegetable oil. Here I have my bay leaf, nutmeg, curry powder and thyme. This is my blended fresh tomatoes and tatashi. And here I have my roughly blended habanero pepper and onion blended together. And here I have my spring onion. So my pot is on the heat now, and to my pot I'll be adding in my washed chicken and I'll add in my chopped onion. I'll add in my seasoning cube. So I'll be adding in my spices, ginger powder, curry powder, thyme and salt. So they'll all go right in. And I'll add a bit of water to it, and we'll be covering this and be cooking it till done. And this is done. We'll set this aside and my pot is on the heat. I'll add in my blended tomatoes, tatashi, rough blended habanero pepper, onion. So we'll cook this till it is dry. And to this I'll be adding in my vegetable oil and we'll allow this to cook for a few minutes and we'll come back to check. And this has been cooking for some time. I'll add in my bay leaf and the remaining of my spice, and I'll add in my onion too. Give this a quick stir and allow this to cook for some time, and I'll add in my cooked chicken already. We'll give this a quick stir. This was so easy. I'm adding in more seasoning cube and water to loosen it up. Test for salt, test for seasoning, adjust your seasoning, and I'll be adding in my spring onion, and this was so yummy. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this. Please drop me a comment at the comment section, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.